Hi, today I'm going to use baby eggplants to make a curry. I have about 16 of these baby eggplants. For sauce, I will use coconut, grated coconut. You can also use cashew nuts if you don't have coconut. I start by prepping our baby eggplants. Clean around the stem. Take away all the little green parts around the stem. Cut them off. Next, we have to make 2 deep cuts in crisscross pattern. They start at the bottom and stop right before the stem. We keep the stem on. Now I'm going to shallow fry these eggplants in 3 tablespoons olive oil. Keep turning the eggplants to make sure all sides are brown. This should take about 10 minutes. You don't have to cook them through, just shallow fry them right now. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and to this I will add 1.5 cups of chopped onion. Saute these onions on medium heat till they turn slightly brown like this. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and my whole spices. I have cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and green cardamoms. Saute this about 60 seconds. Now goes in my grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut, and if you don't have coconut or you don't like coconut, you can add cashew nuts or even almonds. Adding my ground spices. Saute everything for another 30 seconds to a minute, and the next step is to grind it, and I'm going to blend it with 1 cup of water. There, my paste is ready. Now heat pan and add sauteed eggplant, our prepared sauce. We'll season it with some salt, about 1.5 teaspoons. Mix it, bring it to a boil, and then cover it, and we'll cook it on low heat for about 20 minutes. It can be more or less depending on your stove, but keep testing to make sure that the eggplants are not sticking. Every 10 minutes check the eggplants to make sure there's enough sauce. Finally, we just garnish with some herbs. You can use anything you like. Today I'm using kasuri methi and some fresh coriander. And that's it. This dish is done. Make it look pretty. Full recipe on my website, YogChakra.com.